Thank you. Alright guys, I just got an alert, just waiting for him to go off.
And along with its job.
There we go.
Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County in northeast Illinois, extreme eastern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, northern Will County in northeast Illinois, extreme northwestern Lake County in northwest Indiana until 9:15 p.m. At 8:06 p.m., a large and powerful severe thunderstorm from Villa Park to Derry into Plainfield and was moving east-southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Bellwood and Maywood around 8:15 p.m. Forest Park and Oak Park around 8:20 p.m. Logan Square and Bedford Park around 8:25 p.m. Douglas Park and Humboldt Park around 8:30 p.m. Northerly Island in Chicago around 8:35 p.m. Frankfurt and Tinley Park around 8:40 p.m. This includes the south side of the city of Chicago. These thunderstorms are capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail and destructive straight-line winds. Move quickly to a safe shelter, such as in an interior room, a bathroom or closet, or basement.
Holy crap!